Hey ho little readers, welcome back. It's another digraph lesson. To remind us what digraphs are, here's our digraph rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So, our digraph for today is E and R. E and R. And yes, they sound exactly together. It's not error, it's because we mix them together. And the action is Are you ready to sing the song?
The mixer in the bowl goes The mixer in the bowl goes mixing the food together.
It's words time. And with words time, what do? Yeah, I do the action, both of us sound the letters out, and you try to put together the words before they pop out. Ready? Okay. Word number 1. What is it? Her. Next is Again. What is it? Fern. Word number 3 is Again. River. Yes, river. Next we have Again. Ladder. Good job. Okay, you've heard this word before, but then I didn't give it as a double digraph. But now it's a double digraph because of the Ready? Okay. Again. Father. Well done. Now it's time for your solo work. And with solo work, I still do the action, but I'm not going to sound it out. You'll have to do it by yourself. And, of course, with the help of the sound dots, you sound them all out together. Okay? Okay, ready. Number 1. Double digraph. Again. So, Again. Did you get it? Flower. Next, another double digraph, okay, is again. Finger. Okay. Next is let me do that again for you, okay? So it's what is it? You had lots of time. Hammer. Well done. Next is One more time. Did you get it? Mixer. Mixer. Now we'll have another member of the family. Another double digraph. Ready? Okay. Again. Oh, it's getting longer and longer, isn't it? But I'm sure you know. What is it? Brother. Brother. So very well done. I'm so happy that you're learning so much. And, of course, rap and sing with Teacher Ching. And I'll see you in the last digraph. Well, not the last. There's more. Okay, bye.